Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another pre-market report for 25th August by the Options Pool. This is your friend Pradeep Singla, and in this report, we'll talk about uh, what are the different important Nifty levels also in case market is going up or in case market is going down also. So SGX is definitely indicating us little bit of gap up start, and the fact is that okay, in the morning it was showing more than 70 points, then it went down and it was showing close to 40 points. Many times we have seen that okay, SGX Nifty is misleading. So let's see, we need to wait and watch whether we are getting that kind of a start or not. Asian markets are mixed. There are few markets which are almost flat to negative, and there are few markets which are slightly positive also. So we can say mixed markets as far as Asia is concerned. Europe, few markets close positive, few markets close negative. US markets close positive, and Dow future is mildly negative. It's not positive as of now. And yesterday, our markets are very close to all-time high. Now, since there is hardly any news flow, expiry swings will decide whether we slip from here or whether we keep on making new highs. As of now, no big impactful news flow is there, which will decide that okay, what will happen to the market. So it's purely now expiry levels which will decide that okay, what is going to happen to the markets. And if we see FIs were net sellers in cash worth 1644 crores, and DIs were net buyers worth 2380 crores. And obviously, since DI buying was sufficiently higher than FI selling, markets closed positive yesterday. Now, this data is important. FIs were net buyers worth 1100 crores in index futures, this FNO data, but they were sellers worth 5125 crores in index options. So when FIs are selling options, then high quantity of selling do suggest that we can have a dull session today, because if FIs are net sellers, they would like to make profits out of it. So they may not be uh, participating in swinging the markets unless and until they book their profits in selling. So we can expect a slightly dull session compared to whatever is happening in last 2 days, wherein we are seeing a huge gap ups and then market not sustaining those gap ups and then uh, coming down quite a bit. But in case we need to see big upside rallies, that okay, market going beyond 16,700 or 16,750 or 16,800 or towards 17,000, definitely we would be requiring a positive participation, a buying participation from FIs, because if FIs keep on selling and uh, then it is uh, difficult for markets to sustain this kind of a growth. Although so far we have seen that okay, markets have been going up in spite of not much of a participation from FIs. Let's see what the OI analysis is telling us for this expiry. All of you who are new to the channel, I will request please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And all of you who are already part of this family, what you need to do is you need to click on the like button. Highest OI on call side, if you see by exact numbers, is at 16,800, but 16,800 and 16,700 levels are having almost same quantity, almost same level of uh, open interest is there at 16.8 and 16.7. Highest OI on put side is 16,500. Now this is a good thing that highest OI on put side has not gone up from yesterday. Yesterday also it was 16,500. Today also it is 16,500. It is not gone to 16,600. So it is 16,500. That means in case market slips from here, put sellers have definitely kept a lot of margin from them. So OICOI calculations suggest a market level of around 16,650. Remember, we closed at around 16,624. And at the money premium, if we consider 16,600 is at the money, is at around 110 rupees. So 110 rupees means if you add 110 to 16,600, it will take it somewhere close to 16,710. And 60,700, 710, 20 should definitely act as a good hurdle for markets in going up. And on downside 16,500, obviously if you subtract this premium from 16,600, we get a good support at 16,500. So range of the market, you can say, for this expiry as of now, based on EOD data of yesterday, is around 16,500 to 16,700 now. Now, what are the important levels on upside? Initial resistance can be at around 16,650, and next is 16,680. If we go by what SGX is indicating, 16,650 may be crossed right in the beginning. Let's see what happens. We must always wait for 15 to 30 minutes initially to take our positions. And next resistance is 16,680. In case market is really moving up as shown by Asian markets, then 16,720 should act as a final resistance. It will be really uh, surprising if in case market crosses 16,720 in this expiry. Although due to momentum, due to some short selling, to trap some short sellers, markets can make big moves for temporary periods, but it doesn't look that 720 should be crossed very easily. But again, these are all analysis based on whatever is the data available. In case market crosses 720, then it's a no man's land. Very difficult to say where it will go. On downside, we have initial supports at 16,550 and 16,510. So if market starts drifting, definitely we can see that okay, it can hold at around 16,550 and then 16,510. As of now, it doesn't look like that okay, market can easily slip below 16,510. If you see a pair of 16,500 and 16,700, 16,500 is put, 700 is call, is close to rupees 40. In case market opens up today with 20-30 points gap up, even this 40 rupees will reduce. So this pair can be tried, but the strikes are coming very close. So slightly risky at this stage. I will say better to avoid any kind of short strangles in this current series. Whatever you want to do, we can try definitely in the next series, which is 2nd September series. So there we will get a much bigger distance and we'll get some decent premiums also. All the best, and try to be as safe as possible. Last 2 days of expiry, and it's a monthly expiry, can be really tricky. Anybody willing to join our membership can click on this join button and join our different memberships, which is gold, diamond, smart hedge, and super smart hedges. And we have 3 recorded workshops: mastering iron condors, short strangle and covered call, butterfly and iron butterfly in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Anybody interested in these workshops can contact us on the number given on the screen. Our next 2-day workshop is happening on 4th and 5th of September. All the material will be shared, right trading and adjustment methods will be discussed, and back testing of trades will also be shown, right? So anybody interested can again contact us on the number shown on the screen. Is it advisable to wait till tomorrow for rollover losing positions? Mr. Manik R. Grover says. You see, most probably, Mr. Grover, your losing positions must be a selling of a call. Now it all depends. Let's suppose you are having a call which is around 16,300 or 16,400, then it's advisable to roll it over right now. But in case it is very close to 16,600 or 700 or 750 kind of thing, then definitely you can wait. It all depends. What is the level at which your calls are there? If I'm not wrong, losing positions have to be on the call side, obviously, because markets have been moving in upward direction only. 16,300, I think there will be no premium in 16,300, rather it will be at discount. Only thing is you can wait for half a day today. In case there is a dip, then you can take benefit of that dip. Otherwise, I will say no need to wait. You can definitely shift your 16,300, roll over your 16,300 and give it a good support of some healthy put also, so that in case market keeps on moving up, you're not losing anything in this call. So no, not a good idea to wait for 16,300 as of now, right? You can follow us on Twitter at the handle is at the option school. For any other queries, you can contact us on these numbers, or you can write to us at info@the optionschool.in. Do click on the like button. Your likes are very precious to us. Share this video to somebody whom you think it will be useful. Write your comments, suggestions, and feedback. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Have a great day. Have a great profitable day. Wish you all the best. Thank you.